I am excited to be joined by Dr. Ed Domanskis, who is certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery. Dr. Ed has a beautiful facility in Newport Beach. And Dr. Ed, there is so much misinformation about cosmetic and plastic surgery that I thought it would be interesting to have you on the show and have you on a series of shows to kind of talk about, what's right, what's wrong, how to go about it, how to find the right person to work with, because not all doctors are created equal.
Right, no, I agree with that, and I think that it's very important as a basis to choose a plastic surgeon that you find somebody that is certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery. That may not give you the best result, but I think it gives you the ability to achieve the best result, because we actually go through training. We have a general surgery residency and a plastic surgery residency. The other thing is very important is to make sure that your doctor that does the cosmetic surgery has the same privileges to do that in a major hospital in your area. I think that's very important.
Now that makes sense, because if they've got privileges in a major hospital, they're good. If they're not, so that's got to be a really important question. Now, what are the range of services that you offer with your practice?
Well, it's really pretty variable, from non-surgical procedures such as fillers, Botox even, which is very, very popular, Latisse, which we prescribe, to surgical procedures like body contouring, even after significant weight loss, facial surgery, liposuction, different forms, tumescent, slim lipo. So the services are quite varied, but basically my practice is limited for the last 15 years actually to cosmetic surgery.
And that's how long you've been in practice, for 15 years?
Yes, over 15 years. Yes.
So you've worked with and met quite a few patients over the years.
Oh yeah, very, very many. Yeah, and I think that's another thing that a person should look for is experience. And I feel after my years of doing just cosmetic surgery, I think that my experience is quite varied, and I'm able to take care of not only the immediate problem, but let's say if there is a complication, I'm able to handle that too.
Now, do your procedures take place at your location in Newport Beach?
Well, I primarily use the hospital, which is Hoag Hospital, the major hospital right there. There's a surgery center, and I do almost all the surgeries as an outpatient. I do quite a few of them actually now, even under a local anesthetic, totally, if the person prefers that. They're more limited procedures. The recovery is much less bruising, and I think that's the way most people want to go, especially in this economy too, when the prices are quite high.
Yes. Yeah. Now, if someone wants more information, how do they get a hold of you?
They can call me at 949-640-6324. They can always go to my website, which is surgery-plastic.com, or the easiest way, if they forget all those, is to go into Google and just put in Dr. Domanskis, and they'll come up with probably about 1,000 or so references.
Great. And if you missed all that, visit our website, voiceoftheinlandempire.com, and click on the Contact Us link, drop me a line, and I'll be sure to connect you with Dr. Domanskis. Doctor, thank you, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next time.
Thank you very much. Nice meeting you, Ron.